Anong oras nangyari ang bypass?
Sa record po namin ay 5:50, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Chairman, may nagsisinungaling po dito. It's either si Captain Herrera or si Reyes.
Mr. Chair, before we proceed, I would like to seek permission from the committee if we be allowed to show a CCTV footage of what seems to have happened in Barangay Ransohan at 3 a.m. That morning of May 24. If I may be allowed, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so there's a video clip that will be shown. Have you given the copy to the COMSEC already? Okay, so let's play the video, please.
Yeah, so I'll try to narrate. Mr. Chair, this was a CCTV footage of what happened in Barangay Ransohan. Here we see unidentified personnel exiting what seems to be a white Mitsubishi L300 van. Dito po kitang-kita at around 3 o'clock a.m. Nasa may kalsada po sila at may pinasok po silang iskinita at tahanan. May isa pa pong footage yan, Mr. Chair, na mas makikita po natin klaro. Or if we can forward it a little bit. Yes, the other footage, please. Yeah, so this is another angle, Mr. Chair, of what happened at 3:10. So makikita po natin may mga nakasibilyan. 3:10 a.m., Barangay Ransohan din po yan. And looking at the outfits of the said individuals, it seems to be the same as those who were present. But what intrigues me, Mr. Chair, is bakit ang daming kalalakihan na naglalakad ng ganitong oras? At mapapansin natin may mga sublit po silang mga bag. And based on our witness, she has mentioned and testified that ito nga daw po yung mapasok sa kanyang tahanan. And again, we see the same L300 white van. So, thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
That's it.
Yes, that's so. Can you also confirm kung kayo po yung nasa video?
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Ayan, dapat yan ang hindi nyo ginagawa dito sa hearing. We are just in aid of legislation. Okay, and anyway,
So,
magdadoubt na agad kami sa mga lingwahe mo. Okay, Congressman.
actually, you're not incriminating yourself, Team Leader Herrera, because we are just asking a simple question. And let's not forget that you have already paid for your bail. Di ba? Nakapagpiyansa na kayo sa final sa inyo? Tama po, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Di kung
Napagpiyansa na po kami.
nakapagpiyansa na kayo, di therefore, may kaso po kayong hinaharap. So ang tanong lang po namin, kung kayo nga po yung grupo nung nasa video.
Your Honor, kami po yung nakasuhan sa Lucena noong May 24 at kami po yung nakulong na SDEU team.
So kayo po yung nasa video.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
kayo po yung grupo na pumasok sa bahay ng witness po ng komitibang ito.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Mr. Yeah. RD, may gusto po ba kayong
Yes, Your Honor. I just want to inform this honorable body that in the course of our investigation, we identified one PNP personnel na hindi po nakasama doon sa 8 that puts the PNP personnel to 9, Your Honor, and ito po ay inihabol natin, kinasuhan din po natin, and he is now out on bail, and he is present right now in the name of Police Staff Sergeant Arnel Reyes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much for that information, RD. RD, can you confirm that these are the same police personnel who were placed under regional custody last week?
Yes, Your Honor, under restrictive custody, Your Honor.
Can you please explain to the committee why they were placed in the regional custodial center?
The reason why we put them under restrictive custody is one, para po pag may mga ganitong hearing is madali lang po namin silang ipipresent, and of course for the main reason that there is an ongoing investigation, both criminal and admin, para po hindi nila ma-impluwensyahan yung pag-conduct namin ng investigation, Your Honor.
So, therefore, you agree that it is important na yung mga witnesses at resource persons na dumadalo dito po sa komitibang ito ay may mahalagang papel na gagampanan para malaman po natin yung totoo at katotohanan sa mga pangyayari. Hindi po ba, RD?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so therefore, again, I would like to direct my questions to the team leader that operated in Ransohan. RD, would you confirm that they were the same group that were charged in Lucena City?
According to the documents in the investigation conducted by Lucena City Police Station, sila po yung involved, Your Honor.
Okay, but ayaw magsalita. Ba't ayaw nilang aminin na sila kung sila nga yung kinasuhan? Simple question lang naman po yun.
Who wants to reply on that query? If nobody will answer, Congressman Suarez, you can proceed with your next question.
RD, PD, maybe you can ask your personnel to be more cooperative. Is this the expected decorum that the House will receive from PNP officials and resource persons?
Your Honor, they are well informed na ito po yung tatakbuhin ng ng hearing na to, and I mentioned to them na mga tanong is ito yung lilinyahin. But of course, hindi rin po naman natin din na pwedeng ipagsalang-alang sa din yung karapatan nila, Your Honor.
Mukhang nakapag-briefing na rin sila, Chairman Ako, pero. So, you know what, Mr. Chair, kaya po mahalaga po para sa atin ito is because we were investigating in aid of legislation a very important matter, which is violence and which was harassment that happened in the last barangay elections. And unfortunately, a resource person who testified in Congress received the same violence and harassment after she testified. And now, are we supposed to accept this type of attitude and decorum? Para pong pagdidisrespeto na po talaga yan sa Kongreso at sa mga karapatan at kapangyarihan po natin bilang legislators, Mr. Chair. And these are very, very dangerous waters for the organization and for those involved. So, Mr. Chair, I seek your guidance before we...
Sige, before anything else, Congressman Paduano is recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. My question will be addressed to Captain Herrera. Okay. On the early morning of May 24, may operation po ba kayo?
Yes, Your Honor. Meron
Okay.
po. By bus po, Your Honor.
By bus. Anong oras nangyari yung by bus?
Sa record po namin ay 5:50, Your Honor.
5:50. Oh, before that by bus, at 5:50, anong oras kayo nasa area?
Mga 3 a.m. po, Your Honor.
3 a.m. Okay, 3 a.m. And, Mr. Chairman, on record, past 3 a.m., nangyaring pagpasok doon sa bahay ng witness natin last May 24, 2024. 2 days after we conducted the hearing in this committee. Captain Herrera, sino kayong chief of police mo that time?
Your Honor, our Chief of Police that time is Police Lieutenant Colonel Reynaldo Reyes, sir.
Colonel Reyes.
Yes, sir.
Tinawagan ka ba ni Colonel Reyes before that operation? Nung umaga? Nung nasa area na kayo?
As I recall, sir, Your Honor, is ako po ang tumawag sa kanya, Your Honor.
Mga anong oras?
3:15, Your Honor. 3:15.
3:15.
Yes po. Hindi po. 5:15 po. 5:13, I think.
Dali
Can we confirm
Hindi.
whether 3:15,
Hindi. Kaya
3:50,
ganito.
medyo ano po?
Eksaktuhin mo kasi yung 2 oras malabo yun. Pwedeng minuto.
I stand
magkaiba.
corrected, Your Honor.
What time?
5:13 po.
Ito alam ko na kapag nabasa mo na rin yung statement ni Colonel Reyes, alam ko rin na kapag case conference rin kayo. Now, ito, 5:13. Correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Anong pinag-usapan nyo nung 5:13 na yun?
Tinawagan ko po siya, I personally inform him
Sandali.
na may bypass operation po kami.
Okay. Ikaw ang tumawag.
Yes, Your Honor, ako po ang tumawag.
O, sige nga. Tinawagan mo siya na may bypass. Ano pa? Ano pa pinag-usapan nyo?
Yun lang po, Your Honor, may bypass operation po kami sa Barangay
Okay.
Ransuan.
Yun lang. Yun lang po.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, so Mr. Chairman, may nagsisinungaling po dito. It's either si Captain Herrera or si Reyes. Pero tama pong oras. 5:13. Pinapanag po nga yung dokumento. Hindi ko makita pero matandaan ko yung oras. Now, 5:13. At 5:03. At 5:03 in the morning, the same day, may information si Colonel Reyes doon sa lugar na yon. Sa Barangay Ransuan. Ransuan ba? Barangay Ransuan. Now, so, Captain Herrera, you're still standing that you're the one who called your chief of police and informed him na may bypass kayo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's either Colonel Reyes, again, Mr. Chairman, or Captain Herrera ang nagsisinungaling po dito. Nandito na ba si Colonel Reyes?
Nakakulong.
Andun, Colonel Reyes. Colonel, during the previous hearing, well, in fact, binasa mo pa nga eh. Kaya kinuha ko yung papel kasi sabi ko nga, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng notes because that only happens a week ago. A week after that last week na hearing. Now, Colonel Reyes, your statement during the time, Colonel Reyes, pwede ka bang lumipat na lang dito? Lipat ka lang dito para ano?
We have an open seat here.
Then we will discuss about your appeal. Baka
Colonel
mamaya.
Reyes here. Colonel.
Ito, Captain Herrera, you're not anymore invoking your right to self-incrimination. You're now answering my question. Tama?
Yes po, Your
But
Honor.
do you know the consequence? If ever this committee will find out that you're lying, alam mo ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano ang konsekwensya?
Makakontempt po ako, Your Honor.
Yeah, it will be cited in contempt. Now, Colonel Reyes, you
Wait, with the permission of Congressman Paduano, can I just ask, yung ibang miyembro ng team, kayo po ba ay pumapayag na kung ano ang sasagutin ng inyong team leader, yun na rin ang sagot ninyo?
Tanungin natin si Corporal Alan Dalus Abdon. Corporal Alan Abdon. What can you say about the statement of your team leader?
Hindi, pumapayag po ba kayo na kung anong sagot ng team leader, yun na rin po ang sagot ninyong lahat?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tawagin natin para isa-isa, para to give fairness to each and every one of you, ha? Remember, again, reminding, huwag kayong magsisinungaling. Si Sergeant Richie Ledesma Yuwayan. So, what is your take on this?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, sasama ka sa lahat ng sasabihin ni Captain Herrera,
Yes, Your Honor.
kahit sa kasinungalingan.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Sergeant, Iwayan. Yes or no? Kahit sa kasinungalingan. Yes or no?
Sabay-sabay kayo.
Hindi, open your mic, please. Open your mic. Ayan na yan, naka-opus na. Kahit po sa kasinungalingan, sasamahan po natin si Captain Herrera?
No, Your Honor.
Yun, no, Your Honor. Okay. Sergeant Henry Mascareña Mago.
No, Your Honor po.
Anong no? Hindi mo yung first question, lahat ng sasabihin ni Captain Herrera, sasamahan mo ba? No. Si Sergeant Henry Mago. Si Alvin Rainier Reyes Saballa. Lahat ba na sasabihin ni
Sir.
Captain Herrera?
Bago
Sige,
natin ito.
go ahead.
Sergeant Mago, anong ranko mo?
PMSG po.
Ano?
Police Master Sergeant po.